Well, that brings us to the end of this really. If you've been following the videos, you know that the camera had a few minor issues when I started on it, but they've all been dealt with now. And so I'm done with this, and the person who donated the camera asked that I see that it get into the hands of someone who'd appreciate it and use it. And so that's the next thing to do. So, if you'd like this camera, please go to the description and you'll see the rules there, and I ask you to leave a comment. And I think what I asked is basically that you comment yes please, and if you do that, your name will go in basically after 1 week from the time I've released the video. I will gather up those names and I'll use a random number generator to pick the winner, and I'll contact them and arrange delivery. And that's about all there is to say about it really. It's a very nice camera. It's certainly tidier than the example that I've got in my collection, but so I think it'll suit someone well. It should make a good user, and equally well it'll look good in the back of the display cabinet. Thanks for watching.